Good morning, all. Welcome back to my channel. I am Manoranjan Rao, the Nptel Cloud Computing Doctor for Thai version. Today, I will going to reveal how to pass the NPTEL January and April 2024 exams uh, very easily, and I will provide some tips and tricks so that you people can able to pass the exam, and not only pass, if people will get a good marks in the NPTEL Cloud Computing exam. Okay, we will start and how you people do some activities so that it will be good to you. So I am going to show you the my uh, present progress. Here the date of enrollment was 21 January 2024. Okay, and this was my unit wise progress. The course progress is 100%, and unit wise progress I'm going to show you about 20. This is 100%, week 0 100%, week 1 100%, up to week 3, week 4, week 5, week 6. Of all these are 100%, up to week 12 100%. Okay, and about my assignment score, I scored in assignment 100, assignment 200, assignment 300. Maximum I scored 100%. Okay, and definitely, if I secure this assignment scores, most probably 100%, my assignment score will be 25 out of 25. Okay, guys, let's start the secret of the thing how to pass the NPTEL exam. So you people must do, you must read all the lectures materials starting from week 1 to up to week 12. Be patient. The pages are very lengthy, that is very more. And so you have to read all the lectures material bit by bit, bit by bit. If you have the time, if you have the time. So I'm showing the lectures materials also. See how the lectures materials, one of the examples, see lectures materials. In every week, you will get a lecture material. Okay. And if you have time, you have to go through all the lectures materials bit by bit, line by line, so that the question can come from any angle. So you do not know where the question will come. So be patiently, dedicatedly. You have to study all the materials line by line. Okay. Next, so try to complete the lecture materials up to week. Well, week number 12. Okay. Next thing is that, see, there are so many assignments starting from 2023 July, October to 2015 January, April. So in my case, what I did, I started from July, October, assignment 0, I completed assignment 1, assignment 2, assignment 3, up to assignment 12. Then again, I completed the assignment from June. January and April session in 2023, assignment 0 to assignment 12. Okay. And also in 2022, the July and October batch, and January and April session from assignment 0 to assignment 12, you have to uh, do all the assignments very carefully. If you do not have any previous assignment, you can search from the Google, or you can search from the various YouTube channels. The people are providing the different video. They must have the links. Also, I have the links also. So you will get the assignments, solutions, or video solutions, PDF solutions is there also. You can get the assignment solution. You just make a Excel sheet like this, okay, and draw this. You just mentions all the assignment, whatever the assignment you completed, you just mark it. That what that assignment you are going to complete, all the marks, so that you will be confident that I have completed the year wise all the assignments. Okay, guys, I am frankly telling you, if you do the assignment starting from 2023 to 2015, you know how many assignments you cleared, then definitely you will secure more than 90%. It's my promise. You will secure more than 90%. because maximum question, let's about 50% above questions are coming from the previous attachment questions. Okay, so go through all the assignments very deeply. If you have time, revise all the assignments 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, if all the time. So minimum you have to revise the assignment minimums 1 time. Once you have to revise all the assignments once. Oh, minimum. I'm not done. That means it doesn't have to minimum. You have to go through the assignment 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. You have to possible. And year wise, okay, you have to follow the January to April session, July to October sessions, and this. Okay, if you complete all the assignments, definitely no one can stop you. Will secure more than 90%. Okay, assignment previous assignment you get 24 or 25 like that, and in theory part you will get 70 out of 75, you will get more than 70 in theory sessions. So be careful about this. Okay, you will try to complete all the assignment from your end. Next things is that you will be motivated. Self motivation is required. How to get the self motivations? You have in the exam time, you must have patience. You must have patience. If you do not have patience, then it might be very difficult to you to appear the 3 hours examinations. So you must have the patience, and after that, you must have to the time management. Time factor is important because within the time, within the 3 hours, you must have to do the 50 questions. Okay, so first 10 questions, then 15 questions, then 25 questions. So you have to be patient on that moment while solving the problems. Okay. So after that, you must have to focus. You do not have to look here and there, other what other people are doing. No, do not waste this time. You must have to focus, must have to concentrate, and you have to visualize whatever you have studied. Okay. And you must have the dedications towards your exams that I'm appearing the exams. Okay. And while appearing the exams, you must believe yourself. Yes, I'm doing the right thing because I've studied hard. So you must believe yourself and be confident what you are putting your answer. Okay, in the online system examinations. So you must have to yes, that will be the right answer. Okay, and see, if you don't think that some question it might be difficult or whatever it may be, so always do not be negative. Don't be negative about any person. You must have the positive mind in always. Yes, whatever it may be, it is not a battlefield. It is a part of life. Okay, so uh, so you must have be positive. Always be positive. Always be confident. Okay, sometimes if you feel that the answer is you not or are unable to solve the answer of these questions, so don't be panic, don't be panic. Okay, stay motivated, stay positive minds. And apart from that, another point is that maybe some distraction may be there. You people are young people, so never be distracted from the any angle in at the time of examinations. Never deviate your mind. Okay, always concentrate, focus your mind that what you are going to solve, what you are going to appear in the exams. Okay, nobody will going to help you out. You have to put your efforts, your dedications towards your exams. Okay, so sometimes if you feel that the course it is difficult for you to solve these questions, okay, forget the past. Go move ahead. Don't look back, don't look back. Okay, whatever the thing, don't look back. Sometimes you did a mistake, never realize that yes, it may be right, it may be wrong, whatever. No, don't look back. Forget past. Okay, and be serious about your exam. Okay, be serious about your exam. Okay, and be confident. And that was the real secrets, guys. And if you feel any queries, any questions, you can ask in the comment box, and your comments are always welcome. And in the next session also I do uh, my cloud computing assignment solutions week by week. Okay, so if you feel that you have any questions, we may put in the comment box. Okay, and see once again, if you definitely pass the exams, definitely if you pass the exams, you will get a certificate uh, in the systems in the portal. Like I got the elite certificate. And in July October 2023 sessions, I was the top topper 5%. And in that durations, 16,686 number of candidates certified in this course, and I was secured 79% and got the silver badge. Online assignment I secured 25 out of 25. Okay, here my roll number is here. Okay, and if scan barcode or scanner is there, if you scan this, uh, you will get the details of these certificates. And guys, all the best for your exam, and be confident, be positive. Okay, thank you, see you again, bye.